For a home to be energy efficient, it must have an air barrier, usually drywall, and a thermal barrier, insulation, and they must be in full contact with each other to work. Any voids formed between the insulation and the drywall results in energy loss and potential comfort problems. Most of the insulation types seen during an Arizona home inspection, fiberglass, cellulose, mineral wool, do not stop the flow of air. Do not stop the flow of air. Since air is able to pass through the insulation, in your attic, any air gap between the drywall and insulation will be equal to the attic temperature. This renders the insulation useless. You could add more insulation to the area, and it would have no benefit. The two biggest problem areas we see as Phoenix home inspectors is due to fiberglass insulation not being installed correctly, and in areas of the home with certain interior design features, drop ceilings, arcs, knee walls, soffits and arcs are rarely insulated properly. Fortunately, if the home has an accessible attic, some of the defects can be repaired. By the way, the photo above shows an insulated wall in new construction. Think about where the insulation will have gaps when drywall is installed. Along both sides of every vertical stud and insulation is not face nailed to the stud, so a gap is formed. The insulation is also prevented from contacting the drywall at the horizontal white pipe and at the electrical components. This installation is improper as it relates to energy efficiency. When framing a wall, strength, quality, durability and ease of use are chief concerns. Wood studs are strong and easy to install, but quality can sometimes be spotty. They are durable, but only as long as you keep them perfectly dry. Steel studs take care of many of these concerns, but are they right for your home? Should you tackle using steel if you are doing it yourself? Not long ago, it was rare to see steel studs in residential buildings. Builders or home remodeling professionals purchased them from specialty building supply outlets. Now, steel studs are found more often at home improvement centers, though wood studs remain more popular. Local big box retailers will usually stock the steel stud in dimensions matching 2 with 4 wood studs and in lengths ranging from 8 feet to 12 feet. Standard steel studs available at home centers use 25 gauge steel. All factors considered, most do-it-yourselfers will find that there is little advantage to using metal studs over traditional wood studs. For first-timers, using steel studs requires a learning curve that makes installation a little slower than with wood studs, plus working with steel comes with additional safety hazards. Thanks for watching. Until next time.